Good morning and welcome to Moneyline Tips. Today we have 9 matches, 110 odds. Let's get started. The first game we have today is in Spain La Liga, where Rayo Vallecano is taking on Granada, and my prediction is under 2.5 goals at full time. The next one we have is still in that La Liga, where Sevilla is taking on Cadiz, and my prediction is under 2.5 goals. We move on to England Premier League, where Brighton is taking on Chelsea, and my prediction is under 4 goals. And then the next one we have is still in that England Premier League, where Manchester United is taking on Newcastle. My prediction is under 4.5 goals. We move on to Scotland, where Kilmarnock is taking on Celtic, and my prediction is both teams to score, yes. And then to France, we have a game between Nice taking on PSG. My prediction is both teams to score. We have a game in Spain La Liga, where Celta is taking on Atletico Bilbao, and my prediction is both teams to score no. And then we have a game between Reims taking on Marseille in the French League, and then my prediction here is both teams to score at full time. Then the last game we have here is a game between Getafe taking on Atletico Madrid, and my prediction is halftime draw, and that gives us a total of 410. Also, if you want to join our VIP, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section, where you have a chance to get 5 to 20 odds on daily basis guarantee. So chat me up on WhatsApp if you are interested. It's a pay service, it's not free, it's not pay after. I'll see you guys in the next game. This is the booking code for this game. For those people using Sportybet. If you are not using Sportybet, go ahead and check your local bookie and select this game and play. I wish you guys good luck, and also remember to bet responsibly. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.